If you're trying to decide between the two, you're probably focused on two big factors: premium features and transparency. Both are important, but which one really gives you the edge? In this video, we'll break down both of these aspects for NordVPN and Windscribe, and by the end, you'll know which one offers the best value based on what matters most to you. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a surprising alternative that might just be the better option. Let's start with premium features. Now, when you think of premium features, NordVPN is the first one that comes to mind. It's a well-known name in the VPN industry, and for good reason. NordVPN offers an incredible suite of features. One of the standout points is their double encryption, which routes your data through two separate servers, adding an extra layer of protection. Another solid feature is their Cyber SEC, which blocks malicious websites and ads. And with 6,000 plus servers in 59 countries, you've got plenty of options for fast, reliable connections. Next, the NordLynx protocol is another feature that elevates NordVPN. Based on WireGuard, it offers lightning-fast speeds with enhanced security, making it a go-to for users who want both security and performance. But let's not forget Windscribe. Windscribe may not have the vast number of servers that NordVPN offers, but what they do provide is impressive for users who value privacy. Windscribe takes pride in its strict no-logs policy, and they even publish their independent audits to prove it. So, if transparency is your thing, Windscribe's transparency policy wins big here. They're one of the few providers that go the extra mile to show their commitment to user privacy. The next thing to consider is pricing. NordVPN can be on the pricier side, but for the premium features they offer, it's worth it for many. Windscribe, on the other hand, offers a free plan with limited features, which is great for casual users, and their paid plans are a bit more affordable, giving you good value if you're on a budget. The fourth thing to mention is device compatibility. NordVPN supports nearly all platforms: Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Linux, and even routers. They also allow up to 6 simultaneous connections, which is perfect for a household or multiple devices. Windscribe, however, offers unlimited connections on their plans, which is an incredible perk. You can connect all of your devices at once, no problem. So, if you're someone with lots of gadgets, Windscribe's flexibility here is tough to beat. Moving to customer support, NordVPN has 24/7 live chat, which is great for quick responses. On the flip side, Windscribe doesn't offer live chat, but they do have an active community forum, and their support ticket system tends to respond fairly quickly. Finally, let's talk about speed. While NordVPN excels in speed thanks to their NordLynx protocol, Windscribe speeds are generally good but can be inconsistent depending on the server you choose. NordVPN has a clear edge in this category, especially for users who prioritize fast streaming or gaming. Both VPNs offer strong security protocols, but if we're talking about privacy transparency, Windscribe takes the lead here with their open approach to audits and clear communication with users. They genuinely let you see the inner workings of their system, which builds a lot of trust. NordVPN, despite being a top contender, has faced some controversies in the past, which may affect your perception of their transparency. Now, I know you're here to figure out which is better between NordVPN and Windscribe. Both are solid, but here's the catch: if you're looking for the best blend of premium features and transparency, neither of these may be the ultimate solution. After testing both, I found a competitor that excels in both areas and offers even more value. If you're curious, you can check out the free trial through the first link in the description. Not only will you get the best free trial available, but you'll also enjoy exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check it out for yourself and see why it's the better choice.